Muslim percaya Isa yang diselamatkan adalah Yesus yang tidak disalib, dan mereka dengan yakin mengklaim itu adalah Yesus Barabas yang dibebaskan Pilatus. Apa konsekuensi menyamakan Isa Al-Masih di Quran dengan Yesus Barabas di Alkitab? Ternyata, Yesus yang disalib dalam Alkitab bisa jadi bukan Yesus asli. Simak penjelasannya.
But anyway, we have all these books saying Jesus wasn't crucified. But perhaps the most interesting, raising serious questions about the crucifixion, comes from the Bible itself. We're told in Matthew that he's got another prisoner there, and he decides he'll release one of the two. Pilate said to the crowd, "Whom will ye that I release unto you? Barabbas or Jesus, which is called Christ?" That's verse 17 of chapter 27. And later we're told that the crowd said, "Give us Barabbas." And Pilate released Barabbas, and Jesus, who is called the Christ, was taken away and crucified. But now when we go to the New Revised Standard Version, we have something that reads just a little differently. There's a crucial one-word change. At that time, they had a notorious prisoner called Jesus Barabbas. Note, Barabbas' name is Jesus. So after they had gathered, Pilate said to them, "Who do you want me to release for you? Jesus Barabbas or Jesus who is called the Messiah?" We have two people named Jesus. So who's who? Well, to answer that question, we have to look at two key words, Messiah and Barabbas. Messiah simply means the anointed. That's all it means. Many Christians labor under the misconception that there was only one Messiah, and that was Jesus. Many Messiahs mentioned in the Bible. However, the Bible translators translate the term and they say the anointed. But almost anywhere you look in the Old Testament where it talks about the anointed, the word that's being translated is Messiah. But when they talk about Jesus, they don't translate it. They use the term Messiah or the Greek equivalent Christ. So two people named Jesus. Barabbas is not a name. In Aramaic, bar means the son of. Jesus, the son of Abbas. We get son of the Father. Pilate releases Jesus, the son of the Father. Any Christian listening will realize Jesus, the son of the Father, sounds very much like the Jesus with whom we're all interested, both Christians and Muslims.
Hanya karena Yesus Barabas berarti Yesus anak Bapa. Mereka dengan yakin bahwa Isa di Quran itulah Yesus Barabas di Alkitab. Inilah akibat dari belajar Alkitab hanya comot ayat saja. Mereka akhirnya tidak memperoleh informasi yang akurat dan benar. Yakinlah mereka akan menyesal mengatakan bahwa Yesus Barabas adalah Isa di Quran. Atau kemungkinan lain mereka memang setuju bahwa Isa yang diselamatkan Allah SWT adalah bandit dan penjahat yang dimaksudkan Alkitab. Kalau itu memang keyakinan Muslim, maka kita sekarang sudah tahu siapa Allah SWT yang mereka sembah. Terima kasih, Tuhan Yesus memberkati.